Should your beard be longer on your chin? Congrats, and welcome to the Beard Gang. We all know how pretty damn awesome growing a beard is, and you are making a statement with your facial hairstyle. Having a beard makes you stand out in a crowd, and makes you look exactly how you intend to look, sophisticated and mature, or maybe burly and rugged, or maybe mysterious and artsy. No matter what style you choose, there is a common question to be answered. Should you grow your beard longer on your chin? It depends. The length of your beard depends largely on preference and the ability to grow it successfully. While others are fortunate enough to grow a long beard, others aren't due to their lifestyle or other factors. Even though you may be blessed with facial hair, you need the right facial shape for a long beard on the chin. By the time you finish reading this post, you will know the style that suits your face shape, the right one to choose, and what you should consider before growing a longer beard on your chin. Growing long beards on the chin. Every long facial hair needs a huge commitment from you. It takes time to grow a full face of long hair. It takes roughly 3 months to grow to a good length and become a defining feature of your face. A long beard on the chin needs to be taken care of just like you do with the hair on your head. You need to invest in a good shampoo, conditioner, and beard oil to ensure the skin underneath doesn't dry out. A beard wax can be essential if you need to tame and style your facial hair. Trust me, you will likely need it. A long beard can really go out of hand. Based on how well you style your beard, a long beard looks good on most faces. However, the right beard length for the chin mostly depends on the shape of your face. Choosing the right beard length for your face shape. Just like with hats and sunglasses, different beard styles will highlight different facial features. But before you know the right length of beard for your chin, you need to find out what suits your face shape. No one is the same. We all come in different shapes and sizes. The same thing goes with our faces. Our face shapes are different. What may be right for you may seem wrong for me unless we share similar facial features. Everyone has hair lengths that suit them best, and beard length is similar. You will find the one that is just right for you. In this next section, I will share some helpful information about how to figure out your ideal beard length on the chin. A deciding factor for how long you should grow your beard long on the chin is the look the beard will give you. How will it make you look? A long beard will either give you that sharp bearded man look or make you look like a hungry pauper. So, which beard length will fit your face, your lifestyle, and your image of yourself best? Which beard length will make you look your best rather than your worst? Let's find out by first learning about different beard lengths and how your face shape influences what you should select. Then you'll learn about what questions to ask yourself before committing to growing and maintaining a long beard. Beard length and face shape. Your face's shape is very important to consider when selecting the style and length of your beard. Therefore, I will share some tips on choosing the beard length that matches your face shape or type. Oblong. If you have an oblong-shaped face, then growing a long beard on the chin is a no-no. Your aim should be to use your beard to visually widen your face. Going for a longer beard on the chin will make your face look abnormally longer, so keep it shorter. Round-shaped face. Do you have a face that is round? Well, this is the right time for you to add more length to the beard on your chin to make your face look elongated. You should avoid sideburns as they won't look perfect on a round-shaped face. This is because they will widen the look of your face. You can switch your look by adding a short mustache. Heart-shaped face. Do you have a heart-shaped face? If so, then you can make your chin look larger by visually widening the lower part of your face with a wider beard. Even if you want to add some length, try keeping it minimal. Don't overdo the length. Oval. People with oval-shaped faces are the luckiest. They are so lucky that they can experiment with just about any length of beard. There are no limits since any length will suit an oval face. If you have one, you can try a few different lengths and see what you like the best. Questions to ask yourself before growing a long beard on the chin. Your beard on the chin needs as much attention as your other facial hair. It may even need more sometimes. So, before you start growing longer hairs on your chin, here are some questions you should ask yourself. What are your height and hair color? Before you start growing a long beard on your chin, make sure you take your height and hair color into consideration. Taller men will look better and are at an advantage when growing a voluminous and fluffy beard, as their stature can carry it. Shorter men will look better with shorter facial hair, as a shorter beard won't dominate their overall look. Also, if you're light-skinned with dark-colored hair, a shorter beard on your chin will look better, especially if you shave your cheeks. The contrast is nice, but don't let the beard length overwhelm your look. Light-haired men can have a wider beard on their chin. They can even go overboard and grow their beard long and wide since the light color allows it to blend in more. Dark skin with a dark beard can be very attractive at various lengths, and should be proportional to face and body shape, and overall height. How much are you willing to spend? Longer beards on the chin mean more expenses. Let me explain how that works. Growing a long beard on the chin requires more maintenance, which will eventually make you spend more money on products than if you have a shorter beard. Shorter beards may not require a great quantity of oils or specialized grooming tools, but you may need all that and more for a longer beard. Neglecting to use some products may result in an unhealthy beard, unruly, and unkempt beard, so you really don't have a choice. If you aren't willing to commit to the expense, you may want to consider keeping your beard short. Do you have the time? Growing longer beards on the chin will take some time to grow, and also take more time to maintain. It can take up to a year of growing before it is long enough to qualify as a long beard. If I may ask, do you have that time and patience for it to happen? Besides that, the practices you should follow, such as moisturizing, cleaning, and grooming also require you to dedicate your time to maintaining your long beard. Even though shorter beards still need proper care, they definitely require less time to keep up than longer beards. How will others see you? This all comes down to your personal preference. How do you see yourself? How do you want others to see you? No matter how your face is shaped or how stylish you want to be, make sure you choose a beard length you are comfortable with. Some jobs don't allow longer beards for safety reasons, so don't ignore this. Consider the various factors and decide if a longer length is convenient for you. There are no set rules for the right beard length, and the style you choose is ultimately up to you. These are just recommendations, and all that matters is that the beard looks good on you and that it reflects the look that you want. Here are things to consider before growing a longer beard on your chin. Besides asking yourself these valid questions before you grow a beard, you should also consider other things before taking a step forward in your beard grooming journey. This thoughtful consideration will help you make a better choice. Your beard defines you. People can and will now easily refer to you as the guy with a long beard. People will want to touch it. Growing a long beard is very visually obvious. It attracts people and they will want to touch it, sometimes without permission. Your beard might become a conversation starter. When strangers want to talk to you, they may start by talking about your beard. People may either feel attracted by it or feel irritated by it. You can't control how other people feel about your look. If you like it, be confident. A longer beard on your chin may not be the healthiest if you don't have time to maintain it properly. A longer beard may get caught in everything in front of you and it will blow in the wind if it's really long. A longer beard on the chin is prone to shedding, and this may gross you out. People might ask your partner or people around you what they think about your beard. You will likely spend more money with a long beard. Bonus tips for you. If you do finally choose to grow a longer beard, make sure you visit the barber from time to time and get a professional trim and styling. Talk to them about how to shape the beard to suit your face shape. Using a sculpting paste will help in maintaining a nice and smooth shape. Avoid dryness of the beard by investing in good beard oil. Beards complement your look, and you can customize them just the way you want. You can change the length, shape, and even the color to make a statement and suit your personal style. Fortunately, you can always start all over if you think the choice you made isn't working for you. Conclusion. Your facial hair can enhance your personal style or make an impression about you to others. It's an aspect of men's fashion that is based on preference. It is up to you to call the shots and decide what is best for you. If you like the beard on your chin to be short, keep it that way, and if you like it long, do that. In other words, just do you. Just be sure your choice fits your personality and the amount of time you have to dedicate to its maintenance. You can even experiment with different lengths to see what looks the best and suits your lifestyle. For now, just sit back, let it grow, and take good care of your beard while it grows. No matter what length you decide on, keep it clean and well maintained. Take pride in what you are showing to the world. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.